Welcome back, my friend. So in this video, I'm going to show you and introduce you in the latest extension of Luminar Neo, the Magic Lights. I really love it. It's really you could say it's a real invention, something which saves so much time. It's so cool. I immediately loved it. So I have here this photo. I already did some changes here. You can see it here at the side. And now I want to add this magic light to this little shiny light in this house. So here, when you add the extension to Luminar Neo, it shows up here under the extensions. And let me show you what it does. So you don't have to mask anything or mark anything. You just hit that up, and do its size. Then we do the width and give it a magic light, a bit more of cleanness, and now numbers of beams. Look at this, and immediately you also have it in the reflection. Isn't that crazy? So you can say this is really cool. Let me show you what's before and after. I mean, of course, this is here a bit too much, but it's really, I can really not express how cool I think it is. Let me show you something else. I try another one and go back to my catalog. I take this one. So this is after, and let me show you the before. So this is just the magic light I added. This was before and after. And we go back in the original. So this was before, and we do it again. We go to the presets. First of all, I add a preset. I think it was one of mine even. Yeah, I like it so much. I love this preset. And we go to the magic light. We add magic light, the size of it up. Not too much, but we can have it more clean, or this is like a blurry when you add this up. So I really like that. So this is before and after. And the cool thing is you don't have to do anything. So let me show you something else. I think I have one more to show you. So for example, that one. I just show you the before and after. This is without the magic light, and this is after. So I think it's quite impressive what it does. And even in the reflection, that's so cool. This one, let me show you that one. That's a cool one as well. Just make it a bit bigger here. Go to the edit tab, before and after. So it has really this shine. And the cool thing is, if you have it somewhere where it shouldn't be, it just masks it out, because you have a mask possibility. So I think I have one more. Go to the changes, that is before and after. It's really impressive. I was so impressed when I checked this out, and I remember so much that I had so many times a real use case for this, and I had to do it manually by hand in Photoshop to edit. So this is really an invention. It saves so much time, and I really love it. You should definitely check it out. By the way, you can now add and purchase those extensions individually. So you just add that one if you like. You don't have to take and purchase the other ones. So I really can recommend you this. This is so cool.